guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, but make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Guys, it's time. It's time. Today, as you can see, my makeup is done, but my lips, they're looking a little dry, looking a little crusty. Just a little crusty. And that's because I have no lipstick, no anything on my lips, because I'm going to show you guys my favorite lip combo. And you guys have seen iterations of this combo, but I'm going to be showing you guys using my products. So I've been talking about you. Don't embarrass me. I've been talking about it. You guys know I have my Let's Talk series. I'm relaunching my brand. The date is June 1st. That is when my website will be live. And I have a bunch of new products I want to show you guys. Some of which are some lip kits. Why did I do that? I feel like Wolverine. I have 2 lip kits that I'll be using today. And a luster lip gloss to give you guys my favorite lip combo. That way when you make your purchases, because you will, you can get the perfect lip combo too. So if you guys are ready to get into my current favorite lip combo using Blue Babe Cosmetics products, keep on watching. Are you guys ready? You guys are. All right, so really my lips are so dry. I'm actually going in with 2 lip kits. These are beautiful, beautiful matte, velvety smooth liquid lipsticks with the matching liner. So I have 2 here. And that's because sometimes I use the actual liquid lipstick as a liner or the liner. Today I'm just gonna be using the liner from ARiiE and the liquid lipstick from Undress. So these are the lip kits. I'm gonna go into ARiiE first and show you guys what it looks like. I mean, did I not do that with packaging? Did I not? I did. So why are we talking about it? what are we even talking about? And it's just like a beautiful, how do we say, purpley red shade. Beautiful, like I said. But I'm actually gonna go into the lip liner. Now, my lip liners that, again, go on super smooth. I love them so much. They come, you get a nice point on them. To get more product, you just want to twist it up. You can twist it up. Don't try to sharpen these, please and thank you. If the point or the edge gets dull, you can pop off the bottom and give it a little sharpen, okay? Please and thank you. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to line my lips. They're so dry right now. So dry. So I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to start in the bottom. So this same combo works well with like a brown lip liner or a more brown or darker, any kind of plum. Trust me, it works. And I'm actually just going to go over my Cupid's bow for this. Right, so now that it's rounded, I'm actually going to hit the outer corner of my lips to get that more ombre effect. Oh, and yes, the name is ARiiE after my mother. This is one of like the shades that she uses a lot. If you guys don't know, I've been preparing for this launch for my liquid lipsticks and my lip kits, all these products for years now. So please run it up. Run it up. Okay. So that's done. The lips are lined. I'm just gonna pop that back in here because it's such a nice case. It's such a, like, I love the storage option. You can keep it together, you can do whatever you want, it's yourself, but it's really easy to travel with like this so you don't lose them. But of course you can pop it in a travel bag and we can talk about those things later. But now I'm going into Undress, which is a nude. This one's more like a, I have a more neutral nude. This one has like a little bit of a pink. For this, we're gonna go into the liquid. Look at this. Ooh, it's brand new. We're just gonna show you, take a look at that doe foot. It's a nice flat doe foot. Trust me, it goes on so smooth. And I'm gonna hit, ooh. Beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. I'm so excited. But guys, just take a look at the details. The packaging is so nice. You guys know it's me. This also worked. I had another one out. I had blush out to use like for the lip liner. That one's like more nude as well. It's like a pinky nude, like blush. Come on, you got the names make sense. Okay. And next I'm gonna go into this Luster lip gloss that's open. The ones that I'm using are from the product shoot, but this, look at that. Beautiful. Just for comparison, they are very similar in shade. Maybe if I do this. But this is a gloss, like a lip topper. And, ooh, I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pop this over. There you have it. This is my current favorite lip combo. I love it so much. Now the Luster lip glosses, they give you that shine without feeling really sticky. Let me give you that smell. You guys know. And it just smells a little sweet. Nothing too fragrant. You guys know I can't do anything too fragrant. It will give me a headache. I will throw up. If you guys were here from BoxyCharm, and this used to be like my BoxyCharm background, I definitely had a lip gloss that was, it made me sick, and I think it's in the title. But here we are, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Just a quick video to show you guys one of my favorite lip combos. Now, a brown lip liner works perfect for this combo. Any brown, anything deeper. I do have this lip kit Talk Heavy, which is more like the deep wine. Gorgeous. I just wanted to keep it a little bit brighter because the eye look is bright. And I just felt it looked really, really nice. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this lip combo? How do you like it? What do you guys think of the lip kits, the packaging? I know. Right. So just so you guys know, if you guys wanted to enter to win an entire PR kit with to try each one of my products, which does include my lashes. The lashes here are in the style Ratty. It includes lip kits, a Luster lip gloss, a strobe lip gloss, a beauty sponge, a cosmetic bag, and a bunch of other goodies. If you guys want to enter that giveaway, you can go ahead and follow my brand Blue Babe Cosmetics on Instagram, or you can follow me if you're not already doing so. It'll pop up. Thank you. You can follow me and there will be a collab. Check it out. The first picture is going to say giveaway. The comments will have the rules, and a winner will be chosen 1 week from that day. So if you guys are interested in my products, more videos will be coming. More videos will be dropping, showing you guys some of my products and how I use them. Of course, will there be a full line reveal? I'm not really sure yet, but check out my shorts. Make sure those notifications are on. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Things are usually in my story, and I'll be posting more content to my brand's Instagram as well. So just a quick video for you guys today. I know it's been a minute. I missed you guys too. Did I have to rehearse my intro in the bathroom? I did. Wow, 2 weeks off is crazy, but absolutely needed. I'm going through it, guys. Going through it. But I missed you guys. Oh my god. Say back. Thank you. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.